And the second part is we already add the color and font size. If I will check how much font size, what is the font size of this button, so it's 14, 21 and 400. So I will add everything on there. If I'll click, font size will be and font color will be white, then heading will be 10 pixel 1020. We saw how much padding have here. So for this 1022 1022. So have also the border radius. So if I will scroll down, there have an option of border radius. If I will add 10 border radius or 10 pixel, it will be much 30 pixel. So it is the same. So we have to change. Okay, if I will visit one, see it's this one and one like same. Okay, see when we clicking on the button, it is color is changing. So if I will add also like that, I will check how much 40 and there have a maybe 15. Oh sorry, you have to increase the size of menu. So if I will increase the size of menu, then 40 to 50, so it will be also. So that's it. And the next part we will start of the last part is I will the focus. If I will focus, set the focus system. So when we will click the links, the focus color will be changed. So I want to change the focus color, that's why I am going so white to this color. So when I will click the button, focus color will be changed. Okay, not change. Okay, focus color, not the focus color. Oh, sorry, I have to use focus. Then sorry, it's working. So if I will visit, so this everything is working well. So the next part is we have to start this one. If I will for this one, we have to think we have a this section. We will need container here, and we will add the container also on there because both width are same. So we need the picture. So for download the picture of this website, if you will use a downloader extension for website, so I am using downloader image downloader extension for Chrome for download the website. So if I click here, it will be downloads, then I will use it on home section. Sorry, it is a header, and I will change the name of the section. It will be header section. That's why I am adding header section on there. We need to add image on header section. If I will go on background here, and after +5 button, we can add the image. We have to upload image, and three things we have to do. We need to set size cover and position center, then till close. So this is okay. And we need also an overlay of this background. So let's see how we can add a overlay of this website. So if I will copy the color first, then have to go on the the section, then also we have to click on the plus button, then we need to gradient, so it's a gradient, that's why we see gradient. Then we have to add the color on there, and the second color is this one. Then if I will add it on there, see it is the same, but we have to change some opacity. If I will change opacity like 55, 95, and this one also for 95, 5. We are seeing something. So then we have to do one thing, we have to add the text on there. If I will add the text, you have to use a text block on there, link block, sorry. We need the text block, link text. If I will use, okay, let me delete it. I will use paragraph, like a text block, and we'll use one heading. Let me see. Will not use text block, I will use paragraph because of some reason. Oh sorry, then there have a image button. So if I will, we have to use this. If we will see it's a button or it's a code, go on next page elements, we can see it's a button, but it's a JavaScript button, and it's a icon like play icon. So if I will download a icon like that, then we can download file search, there have an option, the play button icon. So color, what is the color of, I will search with color, then I can see with this color. Okay, and one thing we can do, so icon double it, icon 8, if you search on icon 8, so you find here also. So if we will play button, this is much play button have. If I will click on there, then we can add the color. So if we will win, then we can change color from here. So the color was this one. If I will click on here, then we can change the every color. So if I will click it, then done, the color will change, then we will download it. So we need this one. When I will download, we can use it on our website. So the download, I already downloaded the file, I will use this one as the image, so that's why I will use image on here. Then I will upload it on our website. So it's uploaded. If I will upload it, then it will be open. So see, we already use the button, so all are center right now. See, if you see, all are center. So if I will click the button, and there have option align, I will add it on center, also this one, but the picture not will be on center. That's why we have to do one thing, we have to use one div section. Then we have to use this image on the in this okay, in div block. So when we will use the div block, when we will if we want to add it on middle, so we have to do one thing. After we have to select the block, then we have to see there have a layout option display. We have to add flex and we have to alignment on center, so that when we will add it, it will be on centers. So first of all we need to change the text color. So if I will, what is the color of font size font family? So Saraban, it's a font family. If we will see the Saraban font family have or not, then if I'll see they don't have Sara font, so we have to add Sara font. So if we will click, we will also add like that. Before we already add Rubik font, so we will also add Saraban font like Rubik font. I will add everything, so not italic. I reject italic, it on. So after add, it will be open, sorry, it will be add. So then we have to reload. Then we can see the font will be added. So if we will click on there again, we can see if we will go on there, so we can see the Saraban font already added. So Saraban font, we change the font family Saraban. We have to check again. We have to change the font size for 16 9.2 600 data spacing 7. We have to add this one, those number basically. So font size 16 607. File use in color will be white and font size will be 600 and every text will be the capital. Then we have to use, there have a letter spacing, we saw letter spacing is 7, that's why we letter spacing 7. So if you need to copy the text, and if I will copy every text to copy one, also I will paste it and I already added it. So the next part of we have to add this one like before. So Saraban font 46 46 64 46 600 46 64 640. So Saraban 600 46 and 64 line height. The color will be white. So it is not like that. We have to change this heading. So Saraban 600 646 64 white color. Then I think it is the same. So for this one we have to also check color is white and 1542 400 242 400. So it's a Rubik like 400 16 মনে হেরে গেছে। তো 1542 1542 1542 1542 sorry 24 color will be white but need some changes. Okay, so it's the same, and we have to think the letter spacing and the margin. So it's a big, so that's why we will click on there. We no need, we'll click on 0 pixel of this heading. Okay, it is 0 pixel. Then we have to some space on top. If I click on 10 pixel, not 10 pixel, 10 pixel on top, and need on top 30 pixel. Okay, and there have a padding also top on button, so we will add it, and it's a header section. If I will add 300, both for 300, so not for 300. If we will see how much padding have, so if I will use it, see not, we can use 150 MB, 150, so maybe it's okay right now. We'll see. Color same, so we need one thing. So see, you can see it's a sample one, not set on there. It's a sample is the below, but here sample is the one line. So if we will add like that, we have to do one thing. We have to if we will use padding, then it will be solved. Okay, if now we can check, so the design are same right now. Oh, one thing, see, are you seeing the gradient color the horizontally? So if we will change like that, so we have to do one thing. We have to select on hero section, then the linear gradient option, like 90 degree, maybe 90 degree, maybe it's the same. Hope. And this one also need padding. I will use padding like heading section, it will be same like that. Okay, I will check or some more. Both are same, already designed. Okay, update.